Welcome everyone back with another video on Invest Fours. Today we're going to do a portfolio update on both of my accounts, my individual account and my IRA account. But you see my IRA account is sitting up over $2,800 and $24. So let's look at for the past day, bro. Today is Monday and we're up 1.41%. That's actually pretty good. We was actually been down for the past week. Past week down 1.35%. The past month up over 3.31%. Past 3 months up over 8.36%. Year to date up over 11.29%. Past year 11.36%. So a total overall been up over 11%. For you, not doing too bad. I'm actually looking at some new buys this week. I might continue to add more to my H bar. You can see I'm now sitting over 1,300 coins. So I'm thinking about adding more Solana too as well. If I can catch more on a dip, I'm trying to go in and get at least one coin of Solana. Is going to wrap that up and just get one full share. And you can see I'm staking Solana, so I'm just going to add more to start staking and earning more rewards. So I think this will be good for long term. I'm not planning on really selling this. This depends on where it gets. If it get to like 800 to 1,000, then I might consider selling or just holding for the long term and just keep earning the rewards off of it. I like the rewards that it's paying out, so I just need to add more. You see, I only have a partial of 50 of my value is $58, so I'm gonna continue to add more to Solana. So let's take a look. Some few things I want to go and chop this top off and just get a full share of that I need to focus on. Let's take some QQQ. I've been kind of neglecting this one, but I need to go on this focus on getting at least one share of this company. This is a big stability to my portfolio. You see, I only got more value, $126, and I've been up total return of over 15%. So that's not pretty good. That is pretty good, and I'm gonna continue to try to focus on getting one share. This is for long term, and I don't really never plan on selling QQQ. So let's take a look at YMAG. It's another one that's had partial share of that I need to go and complete. Just going to get one full share and to see what it does. But this play right here is kind of stable. It hasn't really been up or down too much. You can see the average cost been $15.21. So this one's actually been holding pretty stable and it pays a consistent dividend weekly. So I really like this one. And that's been very volatile or too much NAV erosion. So I am planning on keeping this one for the long term. And you see, its cousin got YMAX. This one is volatile. So you see, I got over 11 shares. I bought in around $13.41 to return down 4.37%. They got a park value of $148.19. This is also a weekly paying dividend as well. Misty's actually been disappointing to me. It's been down big. You see, it's trading around $14.03. I have now 23 shares. You see, I'm down big on this play, down 30.16%. I'm surprised my portfolio is still up in the green, up over 11%. But this one has burned my portfolio pretty bad. I've been bought in the average cost of $20.09, but I don't plan on selling. So I don't want to take a loss at 30%. So we'll just see what it does. It does pay me out monthly, so it is paying income. So we'll just see how this one does in the next 3 to 5 years. And this is one of my favorites, ticker symbol ULTY. This one I bought in kind of high, around $5. What was I had $6, but now I'm dropping the average cost down, $5.99. Trading around now $5.46, market value $1,000.83. It's pretty much 38% of my portfolio. I'm down 8.85% and got roundups on this thing. This is a weekly payer. Just got paid around $18 in weekly dividends, and I just reinvested those. I added the drip onto ULTY. And next got ticker symbol BTCI. This is Neo's Bitcoin High Income ETF. This is the income ETF. Pays out monthly, trade around $59.43. I bought a little bit high on this for $58.86. The return 0.97%. So actually, I got my average cost back up. It was down a little bit last week, and this one actually been kind of stabilized and performing very well. I like Bitcoin, so why not have exposure to Bitcoin with an ETF. VT is one I need to focus on getting one share on. Vanguard Total World Stock ETF has actually been performing very well. And you see total return up over 8%. I need to focus on getting one share of this. You see I bought an average cost of $127.42, which is a partial share, but I will plan on adding more. This is going to complete to get one share. And let's take a look at actually Big Bear Eye. This is more of a risky play for me, but I just added this one kind of to my watch list. I am planning on buying more this week or next week soon. So this is one I'm actually want to see how this one performs. I'm starting to get more involved into AI and quantum computing. So try to have a little mixture of everything in this portfolio. And I'm really big on AI and quantum computing. This is one I'm going to be buying for the week. And another one too that I really like, that has a lot of potential, that's Open Door Technologies. You see I only have 2 shares, and I bought an average cost $5.44. Total return up 49%. I am planning on buying more. If I can catch the dip, I can stabilize around $8.15. So I will be buying more. I've been seeing a lot of advertising, even online, even on commercials with this company. So this one has a lot of potential. I do plan on buying more. And let's go jump over to IRA account, see how it's performing. Today has been up at 1.33%. Past week, been down 1.82%. Past month, up over 7.62%. Past 3 months, up over 14.93%. Year to date is up over 16%. And the past year, up over 29.15%. All time, up over 34.54%. So this IRA account has been performing very well. I haven't really been adding money lately, but I will continue because you see I have a lot of great tech stocks in here, but a bunch of partial shares. And this account is still performing very well. And you know, I got some of the big players: Google, Amazon, Meta, ticker symbol MOVOO, ticker symbol OYL, Walmart, you name it. I pretty much got this portfolio. But this one has been performing very well. Ticker symbol NVIDIA. And I've only bought in around 2 shares, but the average cost $123. Imagine if I bought more. And this thing's been up in my portfolio 46.69%. It's been doing pretty well. So I will plan on buying more. This is long term for me, so I don't ever plan on selling NVIDIA. Because like I said, it's meant to AI. So this is great AI exposure. So I like NVIDIA, and I will continue to buy more. And you see I even have a Bitcoin ETF in here too, and that's BITS. And I haven't bought a share of this, but this thing has actually been running up over 43.83%. I still got barely over a partial share. And I bought an average cost of $67.38, market value $69.14. This one's actually been performing very, very well. I do plan on buying more. This is the monthly paid dividend. So I like this one, and I will continue to buy more. I got some sleepers in this portfolio that I would like to keep buying. Of course, I got ticker symbol SCHD. And you see I got 4 shares. I bought a little bit out of $20.40. Market value $110.17. I got a quarterly dividend of $1.06 paying out. So we'll see what this is doing. This was for the long term, and I will continue to buy this one and see what it does. This is long term for building wealth for retirement. So, and I got Costco's too in here as well, and I just kind of add this one for exposure. I was looking at this one the other day, and I just bought a partial share. That's SPYI. The NEO's SP500 High Income ETF. And this is a monthly paid dividend. I want to see how this one performs for long term and get that monthly paid dividend for retirement. So I think we got some great things coming. You know, it's not financial advice. This is what I'm doing to build wealth in retirement. So, and I like the way things are going. You know, feel free to comment down below. You can talk about either one of these portfolios. Talk about what I should look into, or what you looking at. Are these some great plays? Great plays for the long term. Yeah, comment down below. Please let me know. Please check some of the links down below. Everybody have a good one. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.